If you're considering Pardot for your landing page needs, there are a few key things you should know before making your decision. In this video, we'll compare it with competitors and walk through what makes Pardot unique, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. Stick around to the end, where we'll share a great alternative you can try for free. First thing to consider is that Pard is a powerful marketing automation tool, primarily designed for businesses already using Salesforce. It's a great choice if you need seamless integration with Salesforce, as it's built to work with their CRM. This makes it ideal for companies that are already entrenched in the Salesforce ecosystem. Next thing, while Pard is great for CRM integration, its learning curve can be steep. If you don't have prior experience with Salesforce, getting up to speed with Pardot can be a challenge. Compared to simpler platforms like HubSpot or MailChimp, Pardot can be overwhelming for beginners. The third thing to know is that Pardot's pricing can be quite high, especially for small businesses. It's more of an enterprise-level tool, and its cost reflects that. If you're looking for something more affordable, tools like MailChimp or Unbounce might be a better fit depending on your needs. The fourth thing is that Pard is feature-rich, with capabilities like A/B testing, landing page builders, and email marketing automation. However, some competitors offer similar features in a more user-friendly package. For instance, Unbounce focuses heavily on landing pages, and it's much simpler to use if that's your primary need. Next thing to keep in mind is the reporting capabilities. Pardot offers detailed reporting and analytics, especially for lead generation and conversion tracking. This is where Pard shines compared to some competitors, but again, it might be overkill for small businesses who don't need that level of detail. Another thing to consider is that Pardot's customer support is generally good, but can be slow at times. You might find quicker responses from other platforms like ActiveCampaign, which offer live chat support and a larger user community. The seventh thing to note is that Pard offers a solid automation engine, allowing for advanced workflows and lead nurturing campaigns. But if you're looking for something less complex, simpler platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit might provide more intuitive automation features that still get the job done. The eighth thing is the user interface. While powerful, Pardot's interface isn't the most intuitive, especially for newcomers. If you're coming from a platform like HubSpot or MailChimp, Pardot may feel a bit clunky and harder to navigate. Ninth, Pardot does offer a landing page builder, but it's fairly basic. If you're specifically looking to create visually stunning, high-converting landing pages, you may want to consider Unbounce, which provides more robust customization options and templates. The 10th thing is integration. While Pard integrates seamlessly with Salesforce, it can be a hassle to integrate with other third-party tools. If you're looking for more flexibility, tools like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign might offer better integrations with a wider range of platforms. Another thing to keep in mind is that Pardot provides lead scoring and grading, which can be a game changer for businesses that rely heavily on lead nurturing. However, this feature might not be necessary for businesses with less complex lead management systems. The 12th thing, and this might be the most important, is that Pardot works best for businesses that have dedicated marketing teams. If you're a small business or solopreneur looking for something more straightforward, other platforms like ConvertKit or MailChimp might be a better choice. So, is Pardot a good option? Absolutely, but it's not the right fit for everyone. If you're a larger company already using Salesforce, it's worth considering. However, if you're looking for something more cost-effective or user-friendly, we recommend checking out the solution we've linked below, where you can try it for free.